Hello guys, hello and welcome. I'm live with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you about the Canva, which is a platform for designing everything, like everything that you can think. So this is basically Canva, as you can see here, CANVA Canva.com, where you can design a lot of things. Like you can say you can design the presentation, the docs, the graphics, the charts, video editors, YouTube video editor. I designed my own thumbnails in this uh you know uh, from Canva. And we have a lot of stuff over here. Like if I want to create my logos, I can go just directly on the logos. And here is we have the professional, you know we have like the samples, like the PayPal, Gucci. You can just simply click on it and edit it. And also you can uh, design like let me see, social media marketing is one of the the biggest opportunity for everyone who want to start their career in digital marketing. So social media uh, content is the basis that you have to create. So let's just click on it, design for social media. Okay, so let me click on it and it will take you to new page where you have, you can create the content for the Facebook, the TikTok, the LinkedIn. So you just simply have to go on the canva.com and pick your niche, or pick your need, like presentation or educational content or logos or anything that you want to create. So I want to create a social media post. So here you can see they already have given you like the multiple options. So what you want to create, the Instagram post or the Facebook ads or whatever. So let's click on the Facebook ads, like TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, LinkedIn video ads. So there's a lot that you can create with this. So I think it will cover your all social media need. You just simply have to go over there and, for example, I want to create not the LinkedIn, but what the most frequently used, the Facebook post. So let's start some of the post. You can pick any of the social media marketing agency. So let's pick off this. If it's not paid, okay, so let's take this out. You just have to take this post and you just have to edit it. Social media marketing agency, we are social media marketing agency, you have to edit all the contents like this. If I want to change the numbers from here, so I can do this. If I want to change this pic, I can just simply remove or add it. Or if I want to, the color, want to change the color of this theme, for example, like this. And I even don't like the the background, so let's change off it. Okay, so not this, but yeah, I think this. Wow. Okay, so this is the word that I also want to change, and I want to give this a color of yellow. Yeah. So now you can see I pick a post, I pick a template. This was the template which I picked, and I just change it. I can add it the content, like if I want to change anything, for example, like India is my city or Delhi is my city. So you can just simply add things here like India. So my agency is based in India. So I think that looks so cool. And I can also change this pic, or I can put my own pictures over here as well. Also I can pick another template, which is this, add as new. And now you can add it is according to you. So I think that's fantastic. And just remove this, just keep it this. And what you have to do when you finalize with your post using the Canva, you can just simply click on the share button, and you can just simply click on the download, and it will give you the option of the download. You just simply click the download, it will download in your system. So you can just go and check, like this, and it just open like this. Wow, that's amazing. So, using Canva, you can create your own post, you can run your own social media, you can, create your marketing agency, and you develop a lot of content. I think it's a great uh, tool, for all the graphic designers. You can sell your services on Fiverr and Upwork, and also on the Facebook or LinkedIn or through an agency. Thank you. That's it for today.